You might as well just come over here and make yourself at home, man. Perfect. What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to Diante here as always. And today, people, we are in Claremont, Florida in a new construction home that is absolutely beautiful. You guys are going to see. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2005 square foot home. All right. Tons of upgrades as you guys are already seeing. And guess what? $14,000 plus in buyer's incentives, whether you guys want to use it for buying down your rate or closing costs. Keeping that money in your pocket is up to you. Okay, so let's take a look at this house. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, so there you have it. My contact information is right here for you guys to reach out. Give me a call, shoot me a text so we can either set up a private showing or we can go ahead and get the process started because you guys already love the home. Don't hesitate to reach out. That is why you guys have me here. And always remember, in real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk to you guys soon.